heart. Okay? And when we think of Jesus, Jesus is the joy of living. So when we analyze the word joy, Jesus, J stands for Jesus. So Jesus means, Jesus must be the priority in your life. Jesus must be the reason for your living. Only then you will experience joy. Okay? So Jesus must be your best friend. Jesus, in hand you must go on with your living. Okay? In everything you need to consult your best friend. Okay? See, when you have best friends, what do? You tell all your secrets to your best friend. No? So Jesus must become your best friend. And so you have to tell all your secrets to Jesus. Right? So Jesus is the joy of living, and if we want to have joy, we must focus on Jesus. We must possess Him. Okay? And O means others. So Jesus came, he was born not for Himself, but for all of us. Right? And so we also need to live for others. Okay? We also need to live for others. And last of all is yourself. So you also need to live for Jesus. Okay? So Jesus is the reason why we are here to celebrate. Now, what is the spirit of Christmas? The spirit of Christmas is sharing. Sharing joy. Making little sacrifices for others. Making other people happy. You all like stories, no?
Yes.
Yeah? So I'm going to tell you a real story. Okay? It's about a little boy, more or less your age. Okay? Let's call him, what shall we call him?
John.
John. Okay, so John. So John is there looking at the bakery stall. You know, he's looking through a window and he's intently looking at all the goodies that are in the bakery. Okay? And then there comes this lady and he asks, hey little boy, what are you looking so intently at? And he said, you know, I am looking at those cookies there that my mother used to make when she was alive. Okay, so you understand he's a poor boy and all he can do is just look at the cookies. He can't buy it. So you can imagine how his mouth was watering, no, to see all those goodies there. So then after a little while, the lady came out and she said, she brought him a packet. And he opened, he opened the packet. He was so excited, he opened and it was just those goodies that his mother used to make. And he forgot about, thanking the lady. So when he turned around, he ran behind her and he said, "Ma'am, from where are you?" Well, I'm from the neighborhood. Thank you for those goodies. Then the boy told the lady, "Are you God?" Then he said, "No, but I am part of the family of God." So, you see, when we share, everyone will recognize the presence of Jesus in us. Because Jesus is the one who teaches us to share. So, what are you going to do to make Jesus happy? Tell me, what are some of the things you are going to do to make Jesus happy? Loudly.
By loving others.
Yes, how are you going to do it?
Sharing.
Sharing. Okay. Anything else?
Caring.
Huh? Helping. Okay.
Forgiving.
Forgiving. Yeah, that's important. Very important. Okay. So this is the message that I would like to give you. Okay. So we need to live Jesus and give Jesus by being kind, by being obedient, by being good to others. We are sharing Jesus. Others will recognize Jesus in us. So this is what I wanted to give you on this Christmas day when we are celebrating the birth of Jesus.
Thank you.